slightly points to the right. Then draw a line under it. Then draw a line above it. Next, just extend it a little bit and draw a curve above it. And draw another curve above it for his hat. Then draw two curves and draw a fluffy circle for the end. For his beard, draw a curved line. First, draw a straight line for his mouth. Then draw an oval shape and a line that looks like this. Now, for his eyes, draw two big circles. Then draw two smaller circles inside it. Then draw an oval for the nose. And draw two curved lines for the ears. Then draw two curved lines for the body and connect it with a slightly curved line. Then draw a straight line in the middle and draw two lines for the belt and draw a rectangular shape and draw a smaller rectangle inside it. Next, draw some box shapes at the middle. Now we can draw the arms. Draw a curved line and draw another curved line and connect it with the circle. Do the same on the other side. Now we can draw his shoes. Draw a curved line and a straight line. Then connect it with a slightly curved line. Do the same for the second shoe. Now we can draw his bag. Draw a circle. Then draw a wiggly line above it. And draw two lines and draw lines inside it. Now we can draw some snow. Just draw some wavy lines. Now we can outline it with the Sharpie. Have finished outlining with the Sharpie. Now we can start coloring. The first color I will be using is a pale granium lake. And color his Christmas hat with it. Then use a darker red, for example, a deep scarlet red, and color the outline. And color like so edges. Now use a warm grey too or light grey and color the hat's end. Now use a skin tone or use a brown lightly and color his face. Also color his ears. Now color his tongue with a red. Then use a warm grey too and just color the outline of his beard. Now we can color his dress. Use a pale granulate on either sides, also at the bottom. Also color his hands with the pale granulate. Then use a dark red and color the outline of his dress. Now use a Sharpie or a black color pencils to color his belt. Then use a gold or a yellow and color his belt. Next use a green and color his hands. Now color his shoes with a black color pencil or the Sharpie. Now use a red color and color the ribbon of the bag. Then use a burnt ochre or a light brown and color the bag. Like so. Now use a walnut brown and color the edges. Like that. Now we can color the snow with the light grey or a warm grey too. Also color the white parts of his hat and his dress with the warm grey too. And the drawing is done. See you until next time. Bye.